Hello students, you are connected to English online class. Let's begin it. Today we are going to do exercise number 4.6 related to chapter 4 and the title is nouns. So let's go for it. In this exercise, fill in the blanks with common nouns. We have to fill the blanks with common nouns. So let's start it. First sentence is Chandigarh is the dash of Haryana and Punjab. We know that Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana and Punjab. So you will fill the word capital here. Second is this is a good dash of stories written by Vishnu Sharma. So class, we see that this is a good book of stories because we have to mention common noun here, so any book can be there. Next is Diwali is the greatest dash of the Hindus, greatest festival of the Hindus. So you will mention the word festival. This is a common noun. Any festival can be there. Festival word relates to any festival. Maruti has launched a new dash named Brezza. So Maruti has launched a new car. Next is in and dash, the crew consists of a pilot, co-pilot and air hostesses. So in an aeroplane, ये सब persons कहाँ होते हैं? Aeroplane में, aeroplane. Next is Rajdhani is the fastest train in India. We know it well. Next is if you go to a dash, you will find patients, doctors and nursing staff. So where you have to go to meet these people? If you go to a hospital, you will mention the word hospital here. Next is India Today is the name of a famous magazine. India Today. This is the name of a famous magazine. Our dash, Mrs. Indu teaches us science. So our teacher. At number 10, my uncle is a dash. He grows grains and vegetables in his field. So you will mention who grows grains and vegetables. My uncle is a farmer. So class, this was your exercise 4.6 related to common noun. Let's move for exercise 4.7. Here you are having circle the odd one and tell its kind. You have to circle the odd one from the given nouns and also you have to mention the kind. First is childhood, honesty, foolishness, child, beauty, hope and desire. Now, which is the odd one here? So let us find out that childhood, honesty, foolishness, they are relating to abstract noun. Beauty, hope, desire, they are also relating to abstract noun. Now the left is child and child is a common noun. You can mention the word here that this is the common noun. Next is second one is heap, crowd, beauty, class, herd, gang, fleet. So we see class that heap, crowd, class, herd, gang, fleet, they relate to collective noun, and here we see that beauty is the odd one and it will relate to abstract noun. Beauty is the abstract. This is the abstract noun. Next is wood, pencil, water, glass, copper, salt, milk. So which is the odd one here? We have to find out the odd one and we see that wood, copper, salt, milk, water, glass, they all relate to material noun and the odd one is the pencil. Pencil, it is the odd one and it will relate to common noun. Let's move at the fourth one. I have sorted out this for you. Apple, knife, chair, Ganesh, bicycle, captain and student. Which is the odd one? Ganesh is the odd one because the other words are relating to common noun and Ganesh is the proper noun. Next is March, Road, Ashoka, Spring, Jupiter, France, Nile. Now we see that all words are relating to proper noun and road is the odd one and it is relating to common noun. Bird, animal, insect, vegetable, fruit, taste, elephant. They all are relating to common nouns. And taste is the abstract noun because in abstract noun you can't see or touch the thing, you can only feel. Abstract noun relates to our feelings, to our ideas. So we can only taste. We can't see and touch the taste. So class, this was your exercise 4.7. I hope the exercise is quite clear to you. Now let's move to the next exercise 4.8. Here we are having 4.8 exercise. Unscramble the words in brackets and fill in the blanks with material nouns. Okay, this exercise is relating to material noun. Here in blanks, in brackets, words are given but they are in odd form. We have to unscramble them to make a correct word. Handle this carefully. It is made up of. So this word will become, it's so easy to catch. This word will become glass. This word become glass. Newspapers are printed on big rolls of paper. So we will mention the word paper here. Third is dash is a useful material. We can make several things with it. Oh, so easy. Wood. W will be capital and it is the first letter of the sentence. Wood. The piece of dash have fallen recently. Prices. The prices of dash have fallen recently. किसके prices गिरे हैं अभी? Gold. A lot of dash is used by the railways. A lot of, which word will come? Iron. The word will become iron. At number 6, we see if you keep it in a dash container, it won't get wet. अगर आप इसे किस container में रखोगे? Plastic. It won't get wet. तो ये भीगेगा नहीं. So you will mention the word here plastic. Plastic container. 7th, dash wires are more durable than aluminium wires. Copper. The word will become copper. C will be capital. Copper. A lot of dash is used by the thermal power plants. A lot of coal. Koila. I hope class that this interesting exercise is quite clear to you. Now you are well acquainted how to fill the words and how to unscramble them. Now class, let's move forward for exercise number 4.9. Here we are having fill in the blanks with appropriate nouns. This exercise is a jumbled exercise. I mean to say this is a miscellaneous exercise. I have lost my dash of keys. Keys के साथ क्या लगता है? Bunch of keys. I have lost my bunch of keys. Dash is the hottest month of the year. Now you have to fill proper noun. June is the hottest month of the year. Here collective noun was filled and here proper noun is filled. So this is a miscellaneous exercise related to all types of nouns. A dash of people gathered there. Let's begin with sentence number 3. A dash of people gathered there. A crowd of people gathered there. So this is also a collective noun. You should always speak the truth. Abstract noun. I have been studying at library. Common noun. We went to the zoo and saw many animals there. Animals is the common noun. Our school's library has about 15,000 books in it. Library is the common noun. Gandhiji was famous for its truthfulness. That is the abstract noun. The taste of this medicine is bitter. Taste is also abstract noun. The festival of Christmas falls on 25th December and Christmas is the proper noun. A pack of wolves attacked the cows. Pack is the collective noun. And there are 27 students in my class. So students are the common noun. India got independence in 1947 and independence is the abstract noun here. At number 14, I felt a lot of pain when I fell off the stairs. जब मैं स्टेयर से नीचे गिर गया तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द महसूस हुई थी. लॉट ऑफ पेन. पेन इज़ द एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. You can only feel how much pain are you having. The Ganga comes from the Himalayas. Himalayas is the proper noun. It's the name of a mountain. Yes, class. So this was your exercise number 4.9. I hope you have enjoyed a lot to sort it out, because this is a miscellaneous exercise relating to all the kinds of nouns. So class, just while filling it in your Bravia, do it by your own for good practice. Now we are going to sum up our video here. Thanks for watching. Good.